Today, we're in San Francisco, California, a city filled with iconic landmarks. But few places combine history, waterfront views, and chocolate, like Ghirardelli Square. Originally built as a chocolate factory in the late 1800s, this historic complex along the bay has transformed into one of the city's most famous destinations, where old brick warehouses now house restaurants, boutiques, cafes, and of course, chocolate. So join me as we quickly explore Ghirardelli Square. Walking through its historic courtyards, tasting its famous treat, and taking in some of the best waterfront scenery in San Francisco. Located in San Francisco's Fisherman's Wharf district, Ghirardelli Square sits right along the northern waterfront. The square itself immediately stands out because, unlike many modern shopping centers, the place feels deeply historic. The red brick buildings, giant painted signs, industrial architecture, and old smokestacks all hint at the site's original purpose. This was once the headquarters of the Ghirardelli Chocolate Company. By the late 1800s, this became one of America's most recognizable chocolate factories. And today, it remains one of San Francisco's most photographed locations. As you walk through the square today, you can still see original architectural elements from the factory era. Even the famous Ghirardelli sign has become a city icon visible from the waterfront and passing boats on San Francisco Bay. There's a unique atmosphere here because the square feels both historic and lively at the same time. Part museum, part shopping district, and part food destination. The heart of Ghirardelli Square is its central courtyard. This open space is surrounded by restaurants, dessert shops, wine tasting rooms, and small boutiques, making it a natural gathering place for both tourists and locals. Of course, no visit to Ghirardelli Square would be complete without experiencing the chocolate itself. The main chocolate shop and soda fountain is usually the busiest place in the complex. Visitors from around the world come here to try the legendary hot fudge sundaes, thick milkshakes, and chocolate squares that made Ghirardelli famous. Even if you're not planning to order dessert, it's worth stepping inside just to watch the energy of the soda fountain and see the chocolate making displays. Well, this looks wonderful. Ghirardelli. There's a cherry on top, and well, let's see. With all this walking, very good. This is their best-selling, world-famous hot fudge sundae. Boy, look at this. I'm at the Ghirardelli Experience, and it is an experience. Look at this sundae. It's wonderful. Well, what's better than a Ghirardelli sundae and a view of Alcatraz? Well, that's Alcatraz, right out there. Ghirardelli Square is much more than a chocolate destination. It's a preserved piece of San Francisco history, a gathering place along the waterfront, and one of the city's most recognizable landmarks. And while there are countless places to explore across the city, Ghirardelli Square remains one of those spots that captures the charm and character that makes San Francisco unique. Thanks for joining me in my quick tour of Ghirardelli Square in San Francisco. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves travel. Until next time, thanks for watching.